Why are more people in Nigerians and most other inverter users worldwide are switching into hybrid high-frequency inverters?
Oh, here we go.
I'll give one of the reasons why. One of the reasons why is because of the the previous generation of inverters, which are transformer-based inverters. Most of them do no longer have lithium communication, so they are only possible to function with either tubular battery or dry cell battery. Most of them can no longer function with lithium battery. That is one. And because of the transformer they're having inside, most of those inverters, they consume much more energy than most of these hybrid high-frequency inverters. We have even run a test load on 4 tubular batteries running on this particular transformer-based inverters. And for instance, if it delivers you 10 hours with the load that you're having there, this same particular load that will give you 10 hours on that transformer-based inverter will give you about 12 hours on hybrid high-frequency inverters. So if you are in this particular year or you are buying recent inverter this period and you are still thinking of using the old model transformer-based inverter, you're making a big mistake. So these are the main reason why everybody is smartly switching to this particular hybrid high-frequency smart inverters these days in order for them to get better performance, have better duration, and apart from that, these particular inverters, they have been integrated with a lot of features. They can handle multiple power sources. So such as even if there's a sun, PV input can handle because it has inbuilt hybrid, it has inbuilt MPPGR controllers inside them. They'll be able to handle your PV input well without no stress. Then I can as well handle your grid energy either from your NEPA light or from your generators. And this particular inverter can also handle your DC current from your battery that you're having, either having lithium batteries and other kind of things. And don't forget, this particular set of inverters, they are programmable. If you're using a tubular battery, you can actually set these inverters to work with your tubular batteries. If you are using a lithium battery, you can as well program this particular inverter and also have a communication port that will make this particular inverter to work with your lithium battery BMS inside them. So that's the reason why most people are switching to this particular hybrid high-frequency inverter, because they can manage your energy very well and help you to conserve more energy. And this particular inverter, why they call most of them off-grid hybrid inverter, because they have some certain function that enables them to give you energy straight from the sun. They can just power even without battery during the day when there's enough sun. This particular hybrid high-frequency inverters can actually give you straight energy and power your appliances, power your buildings, power a shop like this for you from this particular sun. Direct from the sun, this particular inverter can power all this for you without no blinking. So, but the purpose of those batteries, in case during the day when there is sun, you can program this particular inverter to be very smart. To understand that even if when you have a NEPA light, but you don't want to use your NEPA light, this inverter is smart enough to make your solar or your PV input to be its primary energy source. Then when sun is out, it can either switch either to your battery, or if you have a NEPA light, you can as well switch to that. So that is how this particular betting works. So please, if you are needing any of this particular or you're buying recent inverters, do not make mistake in going for the previous model that are transformer-based inverters.